Hey everybody, it's Dave from Resin Forest Products at Clean Pro Supply. Here I'm going to show you the DiamaPro SVX3-A dust collector vacuum. So there's a couple different varieties of this specific vacuum, but this model is the 3A. The 3A stands for 3 motors, automatic cleaning. They also have a 2A, 2 vac motors, auto cleaning. And then there's a 2M, which means 2 motors, manual clean. And then 3M, which is 3 motors, manual clean. So this is the 3 motor automatic clean, and what that means is we have the power switch, but then we also have the shaker here. So you can manually shake, I suppose, electronically by pushing this button, but in the duration of using the vacuum while you're cleaning, or I'm sorry, while you're grinding on the job site, I think it's every 2 minutes or so, one vac motor will turn off automatically on its own. That's why it's an automatic. It'll turn off, vibrate and shake the filter, turn back on, and then the next one will turn off, vibrate the filter, shake itself, clean it, turn back on, and then the third motor. So basically it does a roundabout to clean each filter every couple minutes while you're working. That way you never have to manually purge, manually pulse. There's no screwing around on the job site and no downtime. You don't have to stop grinding to come and clean your filters or blow them out or whatever. It's all done automatically inside itself, and the filters stay very, very clean, and they'll actually last you years as long as you don't get any moisture or water into the filter media. These are HEPA vacs. They do have the Longopack bagging system. They do come with a wand right here that you can put together with this style head. Some contractors like these style wands. A lot of our contractors prefer to go a different route actually, because these work great, but the squeegees wear out kind of fast. So we find a lot of people using wands like this where it's a Teflon glide. You get a little bit more suction and lockdown for the actual dust collection. We sell these separately, but if you get a package with a grinder, we'll include this for free. And then of course the hose right here. And then the power cord. This cord also has a NEMA 20 male connector on the end of it. What that means is you have the ground plug here, and then you have these 2 spades that are actually perpendicular to each other. Your NEMA 15 will have 2 parallel spades. The NEMA 20 has one this way and then the other one this way. So most commercial outlets, in fact all commercial outlets, should have the NEMA 20 female, of course. Your generator should also have the NEMA 20. Most extension cords that are 10 gauge or 12 gauge or larger, meaning lower in number, will also have this NEMA 20 female end. However, if you're ever trying to plug into something that you know is a 20 amp circuit, but it only has the NEMA 15 outlet, you can use an adapter like this, and this has the female NEMA 20. This will plug into there like that, and now you have the NEMA 15 where you've got the 2 parallel spades and the ground plug. Make sure you always have this ground plug in there. If this breaks off, bad. You want to make sure you have the ground plug working. And now you can plug that into your NEMA 15 outlet as long as it's a 20 amp circuit. And it's a dedicated circuit because of the amount of power this draws. Then you're in good shape. So just to be aware that it does have that. We do sell these separate. They're only a couple bucks. You can also get them on Amazon, but just something to be aware of so you don't get the job site and you realize, oh crap, I have the wrong extension cord or whatever. And you'll be good to go. This is a 110 volt vacuum. I think it runs right around 18, 19 amps. So you do want to have it on a dedicated circuit so you're not popping any breakers. But this is going to be a very powerful vacuum system. It's going to draw about 285 CFM, which is cubic feet per minute. That's how fast and how much air is flowing through that hose per minute. 285 is great suction for most grinders, up to 25 to 30 inches in diameter, based on how much production and how much dust they're going to create. Anything bigger than a 30 or a 32 or a 38, you're going to want something bigger. But this is great for hand grinders, small grinders, medium-sized grinders, propane, electric, whatever you need. This is pretty much the workhorse vacuum. It's the most of what we sell. Great system to have. If you guys have any questions about these units, feel free to comment, question, anything you need in the comments below. Shoot us an email, shoot us a call. We're happy to help. Dave from Clean Pro Supply. Have a good one.